One of the very important things about being a cybersecurity professional is communication. It is the most effective skill that you can have. Technical skills, yes, of course you need those. There's baseline things that you really need to have. The thing that you really want to focus on is your communication skills, because you're going to be talking to technical people, C-level execs, and things like that. And basically what Leo's saying is great information in a nutshell. Become good at translating information to different stakeholders within the organization. Absolutely true. And then he goes on to say C-level execs, that's your CIO, CEO, things like that, people who run the company. Business case return on investment is the bottom line, right? So then they're not going to get in the weeds. They just want to focus on what is the bottom line. Let's make sure that our business is still on track and that we can fulfill our fiduciary responsibility. Managers, he's saying, equal operational effectiveness. That's absolutely right. They're thinking about, okay, do I have enough resources? Do I have enough people to do this job? What do we need to do this job more effectively? The mission, the business is what they're focused on, and all that kind of stuff. Then IT, technical lingo. You've got to be able to speak their language. Sometimes when I speak to technical people, I do a little research before I even talk to them. Like if I need to know some stuff about Palo Alto firewall and there's a rule that's messed up or something, I'll actually go on Google and do some research, because I'm not a firewall guy. It's not something I do every day. But these dudes, they are doing it every day. And it's the same thing with networking. If I have to do something for a SIP, I'm weak on networking. And now they want me to talk about some call center device for Cisco. I've never even done any of that stuff. I've never set one up. I've never managed one. I know what SIP is. I have some idea of what it is. You know, I'm gonna have to do some research just to speak to these guys. So the technical guys, yeah, you have to know the lingo. You have to speak their language. Otherwise, they're gonna keep asking you more and more questions. And they got stuff to do. They don't have time to sit there and teach you things. You've got to come there with some knowledge.